The what?
You're cooked, buddy boy. You're cooked.
I'm gonna be
You
it?
see that? You're cooked.
I heard some weird...
He's doing
Okay.
it. Look, he's gonna get you.
If I am hearing some strange noises from city.
I got 10 seconds too high. And I got...
Hello?
I'm not getting attacked because I'm not being mean to him. Because I'm being nice instead. So.
No.
No, please don't.
If you don't say nothing, he's still going to attack you. If you say nothing, he's still going to attack you.
How do you summon this
So if
guy?
I say none,
Are you
still
mocking
attack
me? Are you mocking me?
No, he's saying. Okay.
Hello, mate.
Yeah, because he thinks we're
How are you doing?
He can't get me. He can't get me. He
How
can't
am I
get me.
doing?
He thinks I'm
I'm stealing your eyeball.
No.
What's your name?
Come here. Come here. I'm stealing your eyeball.
Chill, buddy boy, chill. It was both of them. Black, it was both of them.
Buddy boy, chill.
I stole his eyeball.
I still haven't been chased by him yet. He can't. It's impossible.
Hi guys, today I'm gonna do Manchester Color. And today I contest the color pink.
Where is he coming from?
I'm contest the color pink, guys. There's a contest game.
What the? Oh, you see that? He's
Yeah, he's gonna.
He can't get me. How the hell did he said that? He said that. No, he said that. He said that.
No, I didn't say that.
Red said that you can't get him because you're so slow.
I didn't say
He
that.
said
No, I didn't say that.
What are you gonna do?
That's why I didn't say
Now,
it.
who wants to be chased? Who wants to be chased?
Me. No, me.
Okay, I'm gonna do the PBBV. I'm gonna do the PBBV
No,
guy.
you chase me.
Or the guy
Chase
with the
me.
giant yellow hat.
Guess what? You're in a video. Hey. There's like a... Someone's pretending to be a ghost. Oh, what's your username? Again? Is it... How many people are in the room? Run super casual.
Guys, I contest you.
Meeting? Well, I think it... No, it's 666. My brain's frying itself. I want to be chased by this fake...
Hey, Black, if you get me, you get 10,000 Sanira.
He's
Really? Eight?
No, I was joking with you. I was joking.
Hold on.
You were joking?
I'm not talking to you right now. Hey, you, can you chase me? Chase me.
He's gonna chase
But what are you going to do?
I'm still
What are you going to do?
6. The devil's number 1.
Guys,
I don't like saying that.
dark green.
Bro, chase me. Chase me. Yeah, that doesn't sound good. Huh? Kinda. He's just chasing someone. He's chasing dark green. He's hitting the T-pose. Yo. Yeah, it is indeed full. Chase me. Chase me. I'm stealing your teeth. Okay, I stole his teeth.
Black. If you act so slow,
Yo. Chase me.
Eight, yikes, fib, foul,
Chase me.
whatever.
Go right,
Chase
bro.
me.
yeah, you're so slow.
Chase me. Right now he's playing Undertale songs. code are you in? Let's go for run.
Hey, Dad.
Let's join code run super casual. The devil's number one is just having an exploiter. Oh. Why is it Yeah, no. I hate people who plays that music, you know. Funk. It drives me nutcrackers. I'm trying to join code. I'm joining a different code, but he got like someone played funk, so I just straight up option 1'd it. So let's try Runaway. Okay, go into code Runaway super casual. Just join code Runaway and super casual. I'm in that thing. I think I'm in a dupe code or something. Don't care really. What's Crystal? Screen share? How do you screen share? Let me share my view. Did I share my view? Code Runaway super casual. Am I sharing Gorilla Tag? Or something else? Change it to super casual. Yeah! I believe I can fly! Hey. Where are you? Yeah, it's raining for me too. Boom! Yeah, it's me. Did I give you a heart attack? Can you just
Don't do that again.
Can you stay in the call? Cause I'd prefer just to join. I'd prefer to just join.
Not my viewing.
Hey, let me check how my
real quick.
speak, please. I turned up my VS volume.
Okay.
Okay. Let's just give this code a decent chance, I guess, because my other friend or connection, or whatever you want to call it, just gave a code 1 minute to get a ghost, and I prefer giving it anywhere from 10 to 5. That seems reasonable of waiting time. Why is this code so empty? Isn't it popular? Where are you?
No idea.
Tell me, where are you?
Boy, I'm here.
Oh, give me a sec to get up there.
You just cheat.
I just used it to get back onto the thing. Am I decently good without...
Yeah, look what I got today.
Am I decently good without thrusters?
I'm okay.
How good do you think I am without thrusters?
Hold on. My volume down.
The only thing I need thrusters for is to get up to high places in general. Hey, can you help me find some vibrating springs? Because that's one of my quests. Thing is, before I just need like 5 more tech points before I can
Hold on, my volume turned down.
turn it up. Why? Why does it feel like something's
Alright, try speaking now.
Huh? What did you say? What did you say?
Oh no, I turned it down. Oops.
Just turn it. Go like the.
My audio got turned off.
Oh.
Hold on. Oh, does it work now?
Yeah, I don't.
Quit it!
Did you mute it?
Yeah, I can hear you. Perfect. Try it now. No, I didn't. I just accidentally turned it down all the way.
Hey, can we get vibrating springs while waiting? Cause I need them for a quest. Can I
What do you need?
vibrating springs?
Vibrating springs, like the red ones?
Yeah.
Like the red springs? Yeah, I'll look for them. Oh, where's my other rocket?
Don't know.
It's over there. Got it.
Let me show you how good I am. Oh my god. So now. Hey, let's head to mountain. I'm assuming forest is the most
Hold on, there's a slinky over here still.
slinky. Slinky?
No, like a little coil.
Enemy spotted.
Coil.
I-
forgot what is.
I see. Got it.
Alright. I knew it was like in a tree or something. You have it?
We should really do this in more popular ghost codes. I don't think the ghost is gonna join.
Popular ghost codes are full. This one was active earlier because somebody joined in this, turned out like a troller.
God's sake. It's already been 13 minutes.
And then an actual ghost joined up.
Okay. Let's head to... What's the second unsafest ghost code?
I have no idea.
I meant
The
the...
only code I know that's actually chill is,
I meant map.
like,
I meant map.
oh, map? Oh, my bad. Oh, yeah, I got this. Where you at?
How'd you get it?
I got that.
How'd you get it?
I collected all the eggs.
How'd you get the eggs?
I found all of them.
Where?
Do you want to know where all the eggs are?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Huh? Wait.
Hold on, I think I know where the other ones are.
What? Where are you? Where are you?
City.
What did you say? In here?
City. Yeah. You
There's...
need to get your hearing checked, man.
Hmm?
You need to get your hearing checked, man.
I'm hearing... What, man?
Yeah, that's right. That's exactly what I mean.
So, where do you deposit these eggs or something? Or do you just touch them?
There's somewhere.
Let me watch a tutorial.
I know where all of them are. Just give me a sec. Cause there was somewhere over here.
Somewhere over here?
Yep. That one. I missed.
How'd you get them?
You just press them. Is there sparkles coming out of it?
No.
Keep tapping.
Sparkles came out.
Like,
Yeah.
okay, then you have it then.
I'm clicking it.
There's another one here somewhere. Come on.
On an egg?
Yep.
Wait,
No, that's not it.
wait, where are you?
Over here.
Over where? I hear your
Yeah, where
voice.
am I? I'm right here.
I can't
Look
see.
up.
Up.
Right there. Right here.
No!
The edge right here.
One sec. Hey, what's the movie you're most excited to see?
Green egg right there. Green egg, where are you at? Dude. Oh, flip. Look in there. You have it?
Huh?
Where are you? Where are you?
Me?
Dude, in there, the edge right there.
Got it.
Alright. Alright, the other eggs are in canyon. Find the exit.
Okay, let's head right there. So,
Where's the exit?
huh?
Where's the exit?
Just look for like a spiky thing. There's no big. It's near like a gate thing, and one tiny. I don't know.
Where are you?
The exit. Me where the green egg was, I'll just show you. God dang it, I overshot it. I overshot it. Come to the ground where the green egg was or something.
Right there?
Me that? Yes, that's where. God, why wouldn't these stupid things recharge faster? God, my lungs.
Come on.
Thanks for the help.
Now we gotta go to canyons.
Is there like an Easter badge for getting this done?
Yeah, you get Easter egg. You have to have shiny rocks to get the actual trophy.
Oh, okay. So like you have
Which
to
is a
get,
bummer.
you have to buy that.
Yeah. It costs. I don't know how much.
You unlock it after unlocking all the eggs, like the ability to buy it. I hope it's just like no. Okay. Hello?
Down here.
Down here?
Look for a cave.
What? What did you
Look
say?
for like a basket. We gotta look for a basket.
That's probably easier to do from up here.
Help me!
What? Where are you?
Help me! Hell no!
Come up here, I got you.
I'm out of battery. Hold on.
Just grab my hand.
Did I get it?
Right. Lift both your hands off the ground. Okay, grab
Dude.
my hand.
It usually works. What the heck?
Lift your hand off the ground. Please.
I had you there. What the hell? Hold on. There.
There. So where's the other eggs? We can get other eggs in canyons while looking. If anything, it's...
Look for like a basket.
Help me!
Like a few baskets. What? Where are you?
Oh,
Where are you?
never mind. I'm all fine.
Where's the baskets?
Where?
Over here in the corner. This red looking thing. There you are. There's an egg in here. Go.
How?
Come on. Okay, grab it.
Got it.
You have it? Okay. Now I gotta find a way out.
Find a way out of canyons.
No, we have one more.
One more in canyons to find.
Yep.
I'll let you know if my battery's getting low. Like the VR battery. So where's this thing? I can look.
I don't know. It's somewhere over here.
Somewhere on an egg or something?
No, not an egg. I just know it was over here.
So
I've
like,
seen it. Maybe I was looking for it.
on a chocolate bunny?
Chocolate bunny that looks like stone. Oh, I found it. Dang. I think this is where it is. I think this is where it is. Anything?
No, I'm
Yeah,
done.
I'm pretty sure it was here. Oh man. Right here. I thought it was.
Wait. Up. Am I pretty good at grow tag?
Yeah.
Like-
I could say you're better than I am.
Better
But I'm
than
still new to the game.
you're still new to the game.
Yeah.
I'm kind of like old floor player. Pretty sure I started like mid to early 2024.
Holy, didn't Gorilla Tag come out in 2020? or something like that.
Yeah, I think it did.
Oh, it's over there. I remember.
Where?
It's in that carton up there. You see that egg with the orange specks
I can't.
in that rectangle?
My.
Right there. No.
What? Where are you?
No. I fell. I don't have enough power to get up.
I fell, but I have enough power to get up.
Good for you. Wish I was you. Oh no, I found a rope. That rope. Dude. Give me the rope.
What?
I'm stuck.
Do you want me to do you some help? Just hold it.
Too close. There you go.
So you're talking about this egg, right?
That right there.
That one?
There.
This one?
Yep.
Got it.
Okay.
How much does
Alright.
the other egg jerky cost?
It costs a lot of shiny rocks, like 105,000 shiny rocks.
That's just dog poop. They should make it free. So you gotta put in the work to get it.
I know. That's what we got. I thought it was free.
Where's the other, eggies? Oh,
The other eggies?
how many eggies are
I
there?
know where these. A lot.
Like 10?
Yeah, close to that. You could say that. There's some in forest. Come on. Over here.
Where? In
Come here. You got the basket.
So I've
Right
di-
here.
so I'm pretty sure I got 5. Tell me if you find it.
Back here.
Where?
Which one was it? This one? No. It was this one.
No.
You have it?
Yeah, I have 6 now. Let me out.
This one beach.
Wait.
This one beach. Come on.
So, does the 1 egg just require you to get 1 egg?
No.
Requires you to get all of them?
Yep.
You are in beach, I'm assuming.
Come on. Arch nemesis.
Seriously? Help.
Boy, what do you want?
Help. Did I just see an egg?
Stop.
What?
No. The eggs ain't that Alright. Come on. Where are you?
The research thing?
Come on.
Where?
Down here.
Down where? Is it in the... Where are you?
I'm under the water.
Yeah.
There it is. Where are you? Come here. Right there. You
Pretty
got
sure
it?
I have 7. Are you okay? You sound sick.
Yeah, I'm okay. I just have a little bit of a cough, that's all. I'm fine. Oh,
Okay.
I'm fine. Ooh. Well, alright, another one over here. Onward!
I'm out of fuel. Give me a sec. Let me just,
Oh, come on.
bro, I'm out of, oh, never mind.
Help me. No, never mind, I got it. I'm just being dramatic. Shoot, never mind. I am being dramatic. Hold on. Should be here. Right here.
Okay, I'm pretty sure I have 8. No, I actually have 8 for sure. How many have I collected? 2 in Metropolis, 2 in
I forgot
Canyon,
where the other ones were.
like the other 2? What map?
The last one.
Oh, so there's
The last
9?
ones. Yeah.
So where is it? Like what map?
Well, you get an egg like this.
Just for getting that egg. Help! Me! Oh, never mind.
Water.
What map?
Alright, that's all of it. Now I can go get
The-
your egg.
My egg?
Yep, you can get the egg in the shop. It's free too.
Wait, wasn't there one last final one?
Yeah, that was the last final one.
Oh. Not exactly this fast. Oh yeah. Do you think roll tag's just an exercise disguised as a game?
You know what? I really think that.
Huh?
Because every time I play this game, I sometimes sweat after.
I sweat like I'm sweating a whole mountain. Like I'm sweating a new
For real,
ocean
that's how
type
I feel.
sweat.
Come here. You passed it. Free. Alright, now go buy it.
I gotta look further.
What are you looking for?